At Zell Education, every day we receive so many queries about students who are confused about their careers. They are currently at an accounting job and they don't know what to do. In today's video, here we're going to talk about a few tips to advance your career in accounting. My name is Zain Al Hussain. I'm a senior executive for the product team here at Zell Education. By qualification, I'm an ACCA member. The first tip that we'd like to give you is pursue a professional course. So if you are a BCom, BAF, BBA or a BFM graduate and you are working in an accounting job right now, the best way is to upskill yourself with a professional course. Well, there are several professional courses that you can do. Let me highlight three of them. The first being ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. With this degree, it's about 13 papers. If you're a graduate, you can get up to 4 exemptions. You can clear ACCA in the next 2.5 years, and you can call yourself as a Chartered Certified Accountant. Yes? So with ACCA, you can work in over 180 countries. It is globally recognized and will give you the boost that you need in your career. The second accounting option is pursuing CPA US. CPA US is basically the chartered accountancy of the United States. You can complete CPA US in less than 1 year. You have to give 4 papers and you can give those 4 papers sitting right here in India. That's right, you can become a chartered accountant of the US while sitting in India. You can choose to work in India, US or any other country for a US based company. The third option that you can pursue is CIMA or CIMA, wherein your aspect changes to business and finance. So CIMA basically focuses on management accounting. So what exactly is management accounting? It refers to the strategic decisions taken by the company with the help of management accounting. So let's say at Google, should they focus more on Gmail or on ad revenue? Who takes these decisions? What numbers go behind these decisions? All of this is done by management accountants. So these are 3 courses that as an accountant you can do to upskill your career. ACCA, CPA US and CIMA. The second tip is, as an accountant, you can upskill yourself using short-term courses. There are several short-term courses over several domains. The first one that we'd recommend is financial markets. Now, if you're an accountant that is working in the financial services sector or aspires to go in the financial services sector, upskilling yourself or knowing the market is very important. So the financial services sector comprises of banks, mutual funds, NBFCs or any entity that is related to the market. The courses that you can do differ. You can do a course from SEBI, you can do a course from NISM or any third party website which basically educates you about the market. How does the market work? Should you be investing in the market? How do you make money off the market? How do you account for market transactions? As an accountant, knowing all of this will actually improve your skill set. The second short-term course you can use to upskill yourself is a course in a different accounting standard, such as IFRS. The best course to do when you want to master IFRS is a diploma in IFRS. So why should you do a different accounting standard? Well, are you bored of simply doing the same accounting standard over and over again as an accountant? Well, diploma in IFRS basically allows you to work with accounting standards which are applicable in over 180 plus countries. If you want to probably do the accounting standard of the US, you can do a course that specializes in US GAAP. So the second short-term course that you can use to upskill yourself are different accounting standards. Moving on, the third tip that we'd like to give you is the importance of networking. As an accountant, as a professional, whether you're working in an MNC, corporate or a startup, networking is important. Talk to people, talk to your seniors, understand what they do. Try and build conversation, build a connect. Add them on LinkedIn, build your LinkedIn profile. Because when you move ahead in your career, these are the people you can go back to, seek for advice, ask for a job, or in general just be in touch with. There are so many cases that we've seen at Zell wherein networking has helped people get a job and get the right advice. The fourth and last tip that we'd like to give you is soft skills. Master your soft skills. As an accountant, what are the soft skills that you can pursue? Number 1, as an accountant, you should know Excel, Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You should know the shortcuts, you should know automation. Automation makes life so much easier as an accountant. The second soft skill that you should know is PowerPoint presentations. Many a times in corporates or in a startup, you are presenting to your superiors or to external parties. Making a good standard PPT is important and also adds value to your resume. The third soft skill that you should know as an accountant if you want to build your career in accountancy, especially in India, is Tally. Tally ERP is an Indian accounting software. A lot of Indian businesses are using Tally, a very growing software, and if you want to really build your career in core accounting, Tally is another soft skill that you should know. So these are the tips that we'd like to give to you if you are a professional or an accountant looking for ways to advance in your career. Please subscribe if you haven't. Do follow us on Instagram and do drop a comment. If there are any kind of videos that you'd like us to do, drop them in the comments and we'll be more than happy to do them for you. Thank you.